Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is GKN Aerospace and US Air Force partner to advance titanium additive manufacturing for next-generation aerostructures. GKN Aerospace and the US Air Force Research Laboratory have launched a joint $8.4 million initiative to advance additive manufacturing for aerospace structures. The Titan program aims to industrialize titanium production methods for next-generation aerostructures. The Titanium Industrialization and Technology Advancement for Nearnet Additive Manufacturing program focuses on developing laser metal deposition with wire technology. The effort is intended to enable large-scale production of titanium components for defense and commercial aerospace applications. The program will address key areas required for aerospace adoption, including process industrialization, material performance validation, and advanced simulation capabilities. It also includes development of non-destructive inspection techniques and demonstration of the technology on selected structural components. The work will be carried out at GKN Aerospace's Global Technology Center in Fort Worth, Texas. The facility serves as a hub for advanced manufacturing and collaboration with U.S. defense and aerospace partners. David Bond, Chief Technology Officer for Airframes at GKN Aerospace, said, "Titan AM represents a significant step forward in additive manufacturing for aerospace structures." He added, "By combining our deep manufacturing expertise with AFRL's vision, we aim to accelerate the readiness of LMDW technology and demonstrate its value on operational titanium structural components." GKN Aerospace said the initiative builds on more than 20 years of experience in additive manufacturing technologies. The company is already producing large-scale additively manufactured structures used in operational aircraft. These include components such as the fan case mount ring for Pratt & Whitney GTF engines, produced in Sweden and the United States. The parts are currently in service on aircraft including the Airbus A220 and Embraer E195, E2. The company said the program supports its broader strategy to develop lighter, stronger, and more sustainable aerospace structures. The use of additive manufacturing is expected to reduce material waste, shorten production timelines, and expand design flexibility for complex components. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.